and Sir CP, we are very delighted to have you this evening, and we are sure with you, sir, here is going to be joy and exhilaration, and we are having lots and lots and lots of joys. And Sri Baba Mama and his troop has been giving us a treat for the last 2.5 hours. शांतताईनं तिथे घाला पुढे.
I'm happy you all have been enjoying the music so much and enjoying your stay in Ganpatipule. This is the end of our tour, where it's a get together, like a gathering as we call it, and there has to be much less talking and much less worrying about things of less importance. We have to enjoy, and we have to enjoy each other, to know each other, and to understand what is this collectivity is. We are here of so many countries, and it's best is that we should talk to each other and find out about their country, their styles, and their names and their families, and make very intimate relationships with them. So this is the idea of this Ganpati Pule, is that at the culmination of it we all meet together, and that we have a very congenial, enjoyable atmosphere. So I don't want to stand in the way of the music that was on. I would like Baba Mama to continue, and also then we'll have other music. We have to only see what we have gained, how much sensitive we have become to joy, how much conditionings we have dropped, how much we feel surrendered to the divine, and how our personalities have grown. It is more introspection that I was thinking about in the morning meditation, and later on you should have tomorrow morning, if you want, some people can meet as leaders can meet, or talk to each other and can find out what they can do for the future, what should be the plans, what do you think is needed in Saj Yoga. All these things have to be discussed and to be understood, because we are one family. But still there is this, everything works out just like one hand works out the other hand. It works out, no doubt. It is, we are part and parcel of the whole, no doubt. But still there is another communication which is also of your experiences of how to develop better, how to work out better, how to spread it better, what thing will help in what country. All these things can be discussed tomorrow if you want, whenever you want to meet. The leaders can come and meet in my room, say after the program we have had, or early in the morning. I would like to talk to them about it. Will be a better idea that I deal with them personally on all matters. Now anybody who has any other problem, individual problem, any other problem, should give them in writing, so that they will bring it to me and I'll see to it what we can do about it. Because every leader must be having some problem somewhere, and it should be discussed. So tomorrow morning, I think if you come quite early, I get up very early. So if you can come, say about 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock will be all right. We'll talk about it. Then 10 o'clock I'll be here to continue with the same presentation business that we did today. So it is going to be a long session. May God bless you all.
by Sandhya Pandey from Nagpur. Those who, those who have some knowledge of the Indian classical music and more so Indian classical dance will appreciate Sandhya's Kathak when they know that she is the direct disciple of Briju Maharaj, the famous Indian classical Kathak dancer. Now we present her here, and you have any story or anything? Just okay, just
in my opinion, is a born Sahajogi, because he is not projecting his mental thoughts, but he is projecting his heart, and also wanting you to experience whatever he is trying to project to the heart, which I think is a very Sahaj quality. Dance is a very popular form of artist's expression. In fact, the poet in me says that the dance brings the abstract into a form, a thought process into an expression, which you can see with your eyes, visualize, and also experience. In the ancient times, the gods and goddesses were invoked by very famous dancers, and it is legend that even the god and goddesses were compelled to dance with these dancers. Such is the force of the dancing. Kathak is a blending of two aspects of the dance. One is the bhava, that is the expression, and the other is the rhythm, which will be reflected by the beautiful artwork shown by the feet. The bhava will be expressed by the hand and the face, and you will feel that she is bringing out the exact point the composition is wanting to bring out. She will initially begin with Saraswati Vandana, then you are beginning. Then Saraswati Vandana, which is the Vandana of Shri Mataji. Then the Vandana, which we are very popularly known as Vandana Karuya. Then she will present a Kathak recital, and in the end, she will translate a ghazal written by Belos. Thank you. One bit of information. Sandhya has been dancing, I think, from the age of 3 or 4. Her father is also a very great exponent of Kathak. And then, because of her skill, she was chosen by Birju Maharaj, and under his personal care and tutelage, she has obtained a master's degree in dancing and is presently a teacher in Nagpur. Thank you. When she is on the rhythm, you will see the interaction between the dancer and the tabla player. This is also a piece of information that Sandesh is playing with her for the first time, but with so much of confidence that I'm sure you will feel that they are made for each other. Thank you.
पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष ज्ञानदापहा। महाशक्तीला सहज योगिनीला वंदन करूया माताजीला महाशक्तीला सहज योगिनीला वंदन करूया माताजीला। सहजयोगिनीला वंदन करूया माताजीला माताजीला
माताजीला.
माताजी से आशीर्वाद लेकर मैं नृत्य की शुरुआत कर रही हूँ. सर्वप्रथम कथक नृत्य में 3 ताल में कुछ उपज देखिएगा.
To translate it into English, she was saying that having taken the blessings of Shri Mataji, having invoked her blessings, so she is going to present a Kathak in 3 taal.
विशेषता होती है। अलग अलग ढंग से खड़े होके पाँव का चलना, गर्दन का चलना इत्यादि दिखाते हैं। हस्तक में कलाई का चलना देखिएगा। थाली।
In short, it is bringing out the grace of the dance.
Diggy diggy tay, ta tay, ta tay, 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 ta tay ta, ta diggy diggy tay, ta tay, 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 ta tay ta. आ थे आ थे ते तीना धीना धीना थे 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 ता 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 थे 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 ता 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 थे थे आ थे ते तीना धीना धीना थे 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 ता 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 थे 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 ता ता आ ता थे आ थे ते तीना धीना धीना थे 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 ता 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 थे 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 ता 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 धीना धीना ता चलन देखिएगा, पैर का कमाल है, देखिएगा लय किस तरह जा रही है। कुछ टुकड़े देखिएगा। दिगी 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 थे ता थे ता थो दिगी दा दिगी दा दिगी 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 दा थो दिगी दा दिगी दा दिगी 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 दा दिगी दिगी ता थे ता आ थे ता थे ता थे ता थे गिनती की है, देखिए कैसे गिनती जा रही है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 दादी नीना दादी 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 दा दूसरा देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 चक्कर का टुकड़ा है। मैं कोशिश करूँगी, यहाँ फर्श न होने के कारण थोड़ा मुश्किल जा रहा है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि चक्कर सही ले पाऊँ। नाते एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 चक्कर। दी 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 ना 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 टिटकर तगदगी धान धा 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 धान धा। देखिएगा चक्करदार दा 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 दी 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 ना 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 टिटकर तगदगी धान धा 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 धान धा। तकिटे ए दो तीन तकिटे ए दो तीन चार तकिटे ए दो तीन चार पाँच तकिटे दा ए दो तीन चार पाँच तकिटे दा ए दो तीन चार पाँच तकिटे दा। इसी का दूसरा देखिए। एक तकिटे एक दो तकिटे ए दो तीन तकिटे ए दो तीन चार तकिटे ए दो तीन चार ए दो तीन चार ए दो तीन चार पाँच तकिटे पाँच तकिटे दा। एक तकिटे एक दो तकिटे ए दो तीन तकिटे ए दो तीन चार तकिटे ए दो तीन चार ए दो तीन चार ए दो तीन चार पाँच तकिटे पाँच तकिटे दा। एक तकिटे एक दो तकिटे ए दो तीन तकिटे ए दो तीन चार तकिटे ए दो तीन चार ए दो तीन चार ए दो तीन चार पाँच तकिटे दा। चक्कर देखिए तेरा नाली निन्ना नाली निन्ना नाली निन्ना रजग दे तत दे नाली तत दे रजग दे तत दे रजग दे ता दे तत दे रजग दे आ दे तत दे रजग दे दे तत दे 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 दा। अब देखिएगा तबला व घुंघरू में बातचीत।
Now you can bring it down. No, keep it down only. No. She will have need that space. नहीं तो Now there is a conversation between the dancers Ghungru and the tabla. You will hear the conversation. This is known as the Sawal Jawab, as you have seen in the instruments. In the same way, the dancer and the tabla wala will have Sawal Jawab. First, the tabla wala will play and she will follow.
Try to follow.